Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam. Ajia Hajara, you are welcome to my house.
Thank you. Oh, Samira, is this where you live? Is this where your so-called husband kept you? Oh my
Please,
goodness.
let me get you some water.
Well, I know you can't afford bottled water because I don't drink any other water. I don't want to contaminate myself, so it's okay, please. Well, Samira, I am disappointed to come and see you living in a place like this. Seriously, just take a look at yourself. Back in school, you were looking so beautiful. How come you ended up with a broke-ass man? How come, Samira? Oh my goodness, for me, I can't be this beautiful and get married to a broke man. Well, as you can see,
Things
my
will get
designer
better
bag
soon.
and my jewelries, they are full of gold
Yes.
and diamonds. My husband takes good care of me.
I am happy for you.
I just came to inform you about the wedding that I will be attending tomorrow. Obviously,
Okay.
looking at you, you won't be able to attend the wedding because the wedding is of women of class. It is a wedding between Alhaji Osman's daughter and Alhaji Basiru's son. So, I just came to inform you about that. Well, I have to get going.
You know, Hajia Hajara, Allah gives to whoever He wishes and also at the right time. So we put our prayer all onto Allah and also the hard work that we do. We put everything in Allah's hands. We are hoping and praying that inshallah, Allah will make it easy for us. You know, Hajia Hajara, everything is not about worldly things. We have to pray for Allah's blessings on the things that He has given to us.
Well, I have to get going because I can't just sit here for a long time. Let me get going. I don't think I'll be back here anytime soon. Okay, so my advice to you is you should try and get a different man, someone that can take care of you and the kids. Okay, you can't be looking this way. Oh my goodness, I can't just.
Okay,
I'm off. I'm going.
I am happy for you. I am happy that you have gotten a husband who takes care of you. Allah has blessed both of you. I am also blessed to have the husband that I am married to.
Whatever.
Alhamdulillah to Allah for giving me a husband like my husband.
No matter what, my friends and family, let's pray to Allah and also work hard towards the wealth that we will acquire in this world. Wealth is a blessing from Allah. He gives it to whoever He wishes at the right time. Yes. So thank you so much. For anybody at all that is watching this channel, please always give thanks to Allah for whatever He has given to you. Yes, we have to be content with whatever we have. Please, if you want the next episode for this video, comment below and also subscribe if you are new. Alright, bye. Salamu alaikum.